Hey everybody, happy holidays. We're about to go through my 2022 holiday gift giving guide for that chef in your life. Stick around. What's up everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. Guys, it's a little bit different today. Like I said, we're gonna go through our 2022 holiday gift giving guide, okay? Now this is something us YouTubers do about once a year, kind of show off some gadgets and tools and knives, whatever, to help you guys outfit the budding chef in your life or griller or baker or anything like that, right? Just a disclaimer, because I don't think enough people do it. But the 12 things we're gonna go over in this video are all gonna have links down below, and they are affiliate links, okay? When I say affiliate link, that means when you buy it, it doesn't cost you anything more, but it helps out the channel. We get a very, very small percentage, okay? So I wanna get that out of the way. There's a couple things down below. They're gonna have coupon codes for cash off or percentage off. So make sure you check those out too. All right, like the 12 days of Christmas, we got the 12 items for the holiday gift giving guide, okay? So let's get started. First off, we got the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill. Now, this is something I've been using for the better part of, the last 6 months or so. I found it to be a very great tool for your barbecue arsenal, okay? This is what I would call a great entry-level smoker, and it's great for people who are intimidated by the smokers out there, the bigger smokers, the smoky process, but for people who want to enjoy their barbecue, right? This is a very easy barbecue pit to use. It just takes a little bit of pellets, and it's an electric grill. So you're not dealing with a fire that you have to feed or charcoal that you have to throw in there or anything like that. It's just 1/2 cup of pellets in there, and it gives you all the smoke you need. This grill also does other features besides smoking your meat. Obviously you're gonna grill on it. You can air fry, bake, broil, dehydrate. There's a bunch of things you can do on this grill. Definitely a recommend. And one last feature, it is great for apartments and condos. You're not allowed to have an actual barbecue on the balcony. Something like this, since it's an electric grill, you'll be able to put it out on your balcony. You should be good to go. Next up, I want to include the Ninja Pro Grill and Griddle. This is an indoor grill that I've used for the better part of the last year, if not a little bit longer. It is also electric. This is a smokeless indoor grill. There's tons of heat to grill, to sear. It comes with a griddle plate where you can make your French toast, your stir fries, your smash burgers, any of that stuff. It's also an air fryer that does baking, broiling, dehydrates, kind of all the same features as the wood fire. Definitely one I would recommend. And since we're on our Ninja kick right now, I'm gonna go with the Ninja Waffle Maker. Now, this is the Ninja NeverStick Waffle Maker, meaning that the components on the inside are made of non-stick material, so your waffles do not stick and you do not have to spray them down with any kind of coating or butter or whatever, right? And the best part of this waffle maker is that it's upright. So there's not as much mess. It's very easy to use. You pour a cup of your waffle mix in there, it cooks straight up and down. So you're not having stuff, fly out the sides of your waffle maker, making a huge mess, burning up, whatever. This is a waffle maker that I love. I dig this one. So I highly recommend it. For you guys that like your waffles, definitely one I would use. I actually made a waffle breakfast sandwich in this bad boy, and it turned out amazing, right? Perfectly crispy waffles every time. Before we get to the next group of items that we're gonna go over, can we just get a shout out for my shirt? Guys, this is about as Christmassy as I go. I'm not a big fan of ugly sweaters because I'm a big boy, it gets hot, but this thing right here, pretty stylish, huh? Can I get a thumbs up for the style? What's up? Yeah, I'm ready to go. Where's the party at? Give me some eggnog, quick. All right. So the next group of items we're gonna go through are my Dalstrong knives. Now I have two that I've singled out for you guys that I use all the time, but I have a large collection of Dalstrong knives, and honestly, I have a large collection of other knives too, but I feature Dalstrong knives because they're a partner of the show. So the ones I want to talk about are the Pitmaster Shadow Black series and then the Delta Wolf Chef's Knife series. Both high quality knives, sharp as can be. The balance is perfect on them. The Pitmaster knife comes with a bottle opener. So you can't go wrong there. To me, I believe these are some of the best knives on the market. They're great for carving up turkeys, carving up your chicken, slicing and dicing, all that good stuff. So these are knives that I would buy for my family. I would share them out there. I've given away Dalstrong knives on all my contests, all the giveaways I've done for the channel. They've been a great partner through the years. Definitely want to check them out, okay? All right, next up, let's go over a couple of outdoor products that you're gonna want to get. All right, the first one is a pit barrel cooker. This is a great smoker for the novice pitmaster. This is one of those pits that you just put some charcoal in the bottom, fire it up with a little bit of heat in the middle, and it's got that minion method of heating the charcoals from the inside out. Throw a couple wood chunks on there. You got a great smoker, relatively inexpensive, but gives you great results every time. I like to call it my rib machine because no other cooker that I have makes better ribs with the ease that you get with this pit barrel cooker. All you're doing is hanging these ribs. I've done up to 8 racks of ribs in my pit barrel. So trust me on when I say this is a rib machine, but I've done tons of other stuff in there. But charcoal, a little bit of wood chunks, and you got all you need for a great little pit. Next up on the outside, we are talking about the Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle. I've been using this griddle for over a year now. I've been a fan of it. I've had Blackstone rolled steel griddles out there for a long time. Big fan. They're a great griddle too, but I love my Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle because of the cleanup factor. It has a non-stick surface that is a very strong non-stick surface. It is gonna last the test of time. There's a warranty on it. I know everybody worries about non-stick surfaces out there, but trust me on this one. This is a very good, worry-free non-stick surface, okay? The cleanup is a snap using the Ultimate Griddle, and you get the great heat. You get that great sear on your hamburgers, on your steaks, on your chops, any of that stuff. Great for your stir fry, omelets, all that good stuff. Your family is gonna love it, okay? One of the best features besides the ease to clean with the Pit Boss Ultimate Grill is the fact that it's portable. You can lift the griddle part off, the whole unit comes off, and it becomes a tabletop or a tailgate griddle, okay? I've done it on mine, and it's perfect for the tailgates. So now we're gonna talk about a couple of thermometers that I think everybody should have. I think you should have an instant read thermometer, and I think you should have a Bluetooth wireless thermometer. So I've got both for my gift giving guide, all right? First off, we're gonna talk about the TempSpike Bluetooth wireless thermometer. This is great for the grills. It's great for your air fryers. It's great all around. Comes with an app that you can put on your phone, and you can control the temperatures, the time, all the proteins that you would cook with are all listed on there, and it's great for just a set it and forget it type thermometer. Okay, it charges USB. It is waterproof. It is easy to use. The app is easy to use. Definitely something I would consider if I was starting out in my kitchen, right? And then the second thermometer I want to talk about is the ThermoPro Lightning Instant Read Thermometer. I've been preaching in all my videos for years that you have to have an instant read thermometer at least in your arsenal. I cook to internal temperatures when I'm doing my cooks for all of my proteins. I do not like to say how long the cooks take because like your mileage may vary, right? So I use my instant read thermometer. Definitely something I suggest you guys get. This lightning thermometer from ThermoPro is brand new. It is their new hotness thermometer. It reads your temperatures within 1 second. It's accurate to a ½ degree. It's waterproof, has rubber coating on the outside, so you drop your thermometer as much as I do, it's definitely a godsend, but a great instant read thermometer. Definitely think you should check it out. See the Christmas tree over there? Got a light over here, it's messing with me. I am not where I normally am. Either I'm in the backyard or in the kitchen. I thought the Christmas tree in the background over here would be a good, addition. Don't look at the big TV over my shoulder. It's not on the holiday gift giving guide. Yeah, that's not for your chef, that's for your football fan in your life. For my meat provider, I've been sponsored by Porter Road. I've used their products, I've bought their products, they've sent me free product. I love Porter Road. They've sent me some very interesting cuts of meat, Thor's hammer to pork brisket, which I didn't even know that was a thing until I got it. All their cuts are very clean, very high quality. They source their meat through independent farmers throughout the country. Great company, and I love working with them. So again, I'll have a link down below for Porter Road. You check them out. You can buy meat individually a la carte, or they actually have boxes that you can buy, subscription service, a whole bunch of stuff, okay? So make sure you check those out. Last but not least, I want to talk about a couple of the barbecue seasoning companies that I work with. These people are personal friends of mine. I have Uncle Steve's Shake and I have Caribeque. I use them in a ton of my cooks. Get yourself some Uncle Steve's Shake. The sweet and spicier is my favorite shake from Uncle Steve. He has a holiday package where it has his whole lineup of his shakes for like 50 bucks. So I'll put a link down below for that. Caribeque has some great Caribbean barbecue type flavors like jerk or island thyme or calypso kick. But I also like his big beef and bold, AP, and then his sweet heat that I use a lot on my chicken and pork cooks, all right? So a whole lineup of spices and barbecue rubs that you need to check out, and I'll have links down below for each of their websites. All right, team, so that is it. We are wrapped up with all of my items on my holiday gift giving guide. Again, I'll have links down below for each of these items on our holiday gift giving guide. Other than that, we are done. Listen, from the bottom of my heart, I want to wish you all a very happy holidays this season. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, whatever you guys celebrate with family and friends. Be safe out there. Hug the ones you love. Subscribe to the channel. Help me get to that 100,000 this year. I am trying to do it by the end of the year. We are so damn close. It's driving me up a wall. Help your big homie out, get us to 100,000. That's my Christmas wish this year. Anyway, guys, sorry for the fluctuating lighting if you got some of that during the video. It's just, like I said, odd setup that I'm not normally set up as. I hope you guys enjoyed my Santa gnome shirt, right? I like it. I can't wait for the next party to wear it too. So, all right, y'all. Again, I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season. Love y'all. Thank you for being here, and thanks for going over this list with CJ. Take care.